Hello everyone. Unfortunately, yesterday I completely missed out solving the problem after dinner. I thought I will solve the problem after dinner, but I am very sorry for this. We will redeem the point to go back in past and solve the problem. So I have redeemed one. Let's solve this problem. Yesterday's problem number was 3300, and problem title was minimum element after replacement with digit sum. It's an easy problem, so we will try to solve this within 15 minutes. Right now it's 1 minute already being passed. You are given an integer num and you replace each element in num with sum of its digit. Okay, one one. Okay, return the minimum element in the after replacing. Okay, fine, I got it. So I have elements like this. I have already solved such kind of problem. Okay, simply what I will do, it's very small. Okay, its length is only 100, value is almost, so we can do one thing. uh, Fine, it's okay, let it be. I was thinking about sorting the value, sort the value, and just simply return the solution for the first index. Okay, but it will not work. Answer should be. Let's see. Okay, let's submit the problem. Yeah, it's done. Yes, I want to use the ticket. Okay, we are back with the time. Let's see how much time we took. It took 5 minutes to solve. Fine. Okay, that's all for the today. We will solve today's problem today only, but after some time.